Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Tili box, which is the QVC Try It, Love It box. Let's get into this and talk about it. This is a beauty box that comes out bi-monthly now. It has been coming out bi-monthly for quite some time and I didn't even realize it until I realized I hadn't gotten it. And I went back and looked at the pattern of when it was coming in. It was coming every other month. I just got an email from them saying that my auto delivery has run out. So I don't know whether that means they're going to stop doing the Tili box again or whether my personal subscription has just run out. I'm going to get in and see if I can keep it coming, but I thought I would ask you guys, is this something that you want to keep seeing or is it not worth having on the channel? I generally get my money's worth out of it because you guys have heard me say they almost always have Elemis in here and it's the Pro Collagen and I use the Elemis Pro Collagen. I have zero idea what is in this month though. It looks kind of party-like. It's not really festive from a Christmas perspective, but they made the top and the bottom match. When you open it up, it's just all wrapped up in tissue paper, which has always got it here very safe and sound. I don't know what's in it, but there's something big in it. Let's get our glasses on and find out. This is where it gets me. I think it had gone up to $28 or it was $25 and then $3.50 shipping and handling. I go into my account to look at this as little as possible because it's one of the few things that I have absolutely no idea what's going to come in it. So I will let you know here what it costs and whether there was shipping, so what the total cost was. I will let you know here if it seems like they're going to continue it, and I've just finished my run, so I need to sign back up. And we will just reach in. It is Peter Thomas Roth. That's another thing about the Try It, Love It box. They carry a million brands on QVC, but for some reason in the box, we seem to get a lot of the same brands again. This is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, which is a 3-in-1 intensive skin resurfacer that exfoliates with pumpkin enzyme. This is 14 mLs or 0.47 ounces. And again, with that, I will try and let you know the value of the product so we can see if the value of the box is worthwhile. This exfoliates and peels with alpha hydroxy acid and polishes with aluminum oxide. It helps even out skin tone, smooth fine lines, and wrinkles. And you just put a thin layer on clean skin, gently massage in a circular motion with wet fingers. Leave on 3 to 7 minutes depending on your skin. And you can use it 1 to 2 times per week. I cannot. Let's see if it is sealed. It is sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that sealed because you guys know I can't use that on my sensitive skin. Next out. Talk amongst yourselves. It is a Kate Somerville foil pack, Retinol Vitamin C Power Serum. I'm not even looking up a value for this. I'm saying this has no value. I will not encourage them to send foil packs. I don't think this is what we got. Quench Hydrating Face Serum. No, this is not what we got. This sounds like something I would have tried. This sounds like something that will make my face mad. So, on top of that, it is not even what they talked about. Bury it back here in the back because it makes me sad. Oh, guys. Okay, next out, we have Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. So I will let you know the value here, but this is what usually pays for my box, makes it worthwhile for me. I love the Elemis Pro Collagen face masks, moisturizers, night moisturizers, oxygenating moisturizers. I can use the Elemis Pro Collagen line. I can't use all of their lines, but this one I can. This says that the Overnight Matrix Night Cream helps improve hydration and the look of stressed skin. Building a wall to bury that Kate Somerville. Nope. Next we have a Bumble and Bumble Illuminated Blonde Tone Enhancing Leave-In. I do not believe I need this. I will set that aside to pass along. I don't have really any blondes in my life. And this is not what's on the paperwork. The paperwork says that we were going to get the Bumble and Bumble Bond Building Repair Treatment. Also would have liked that. This is not as useful to me. So I don't know what happened to this box, but I want this one. Oh no, I hope you guys can still see the Kate Somerville. Next we have a Light Shimmer Highlighter Pencil from Chella. That is what that looks like. Apply it to the areas of your face you want a subtle glow, including the brow bone, the inner corner of the eye, cheekbones, and Cupid's bow. that is what it looks like. It is sealed up very nicely. This is what was supposed to be in the box. It can help conceal blemishes and dark spots on light toned skin. In addition, this multi-purpose pencil can be used to open the look of the eye area by applying to the waterlines and inner corners. All right, once we get the seal off of it, it is just a pencil. Can you see that on my hand right here? I hope that comes through. It's lightening. It's lighter than me, but oh yeah, it does have some shimmer to it. Where can I put it? Put a little bit right here. Do my eyes look lifted? Cupid's bow look higher? Fuller? Whatever you want to be happening there? A little bit on the tip of my nose. That's where I like to highlight. This might get used, well, in truly Kathrin fashion, and I hate to admit this, but it's just you and I, right? It'll get used until it gets flat, and then I almost never sharpen these things. I wish I were better. I do. I should do better. I should do better. Let me know if you do the same thing. Make me feel better. Next out of the box, we have Josie Maran. It is the Josie Maran Argan Oil. It is half an ounce, I believe. This is the half-ounce size. I have plenty of it. I should see if anybody in my family needs it, loves it. Yep, half a fluid ounce, 15 ml. It has a good value. It's really, I use it on everything. I've used it on my hair, on my body, on my face. Is there anything else you use it for? I can't think of anything else. Hair, body, face pretty much covers everything. You can use it on everything, and it gives you a nice light oil feel. And if you get it, I would suggest not stocking up, because I have had so many of these that I have had some I've had to throw away, because after it sits for a while, it somehow leaches the oil up to the rubber stopper, and it gets nasty. So if you have it, you should be enjoying it and using it. Next out of the box, we have a Mini Macaron. We have seen this in some boxes lately. Made in Korea. This is a moisturizing hand mask in vanilla almond. Doesn't look like it has anything in it I can't use. I am excited about this. My hands need it really bad. It says treat your hands to a little R&R with Le Mini Macaron hand mask. Your hands do all the heavy lifting. It's their turn to be pampered. The Mini Macaron Vanilla Almond Hand Mask hydrates dry hands and contains soothing vanilla and sweet almond extracts. Is vanilla smoothing? I don't know that. Hand mask. And last but not least, we have a full-size, super heavy, 1.7 ounces Tova Nirvana. When Tova came out with her first scent, I can't pretend to know the name of it unless it was just Tova. It might have just been Tova, because I remember when she came out with her second one, it was like Tova Nights. So I think it might have just been Tova. I'm staying with that. I liked it a lot. I mean, bought a bottle, used it to gone. But then, you know, life happens. You get a bunch of new perfumes and you just, for whatever reason, don't go back to the ones you really like. Oh, it's so pretty. That is really pretty. I just did my Lush unboxing, so I have a million scents going on right now, so I can't put it on me, but I'll spray it on the paper. That is really, really pretty. One of the reasons I always liked her scents, as you guys know, like I like patchouli and sandalwood. I like the warmer scents, so I always liked her scents. Oh, too much. I have to get... Oh, now I can taste it. Why'd I do it? Oh, that's so nasty. That's gonna take a hot minute to go. So, yeah. I'm gonna give that a minute. Let's read about it while I do. It says, travel through a sensory feast of exotic beauty of the East. Notes of warm, rhythmic tones intertwine with vivid colors and spice and vivacious florals. I can smell florals. As chaos connects with calm to experience perfect harmony. Oh, because it's called Nirvana. I'm like, this is quite the story we're weaving here, guys. Letting go is a true pathway to self-realization, feeling wholeness and beauty that is captured in a single word, Nirvana. I mean, that's a long way to get there, but okay. And yet it never tells me what the notes are. So I will look it up online and I will tell you here what I can find about what the notes are. It's floral. It's not nearly as warm, woodsy, spicy as her other scents. I would never use the word spicy to describe this. You know what? I might be shell-shocked. It's very floral to me. It doesn't taste good. It has something under there, but I wouldn't call it spice. I don't know if it's my favorite. In all seriousness though, I sprayed a lot and I feel overcome with the idiocy of how much I sprayed. I can taste it. I feel like it's in my nose. It's gonna take me a hot minute. I just did my Lush Kitchen box. I don't know which I'm posting first. Probably the Lush Kitchen. And that is Sultana, and I would go back for that any day over this. So I will try this again once some time has passed and it no longer triggers me to this taste in my mouth. But that is what we got in our Tili box. And I am sure this had way more value than the cost of the box. And it's a pretty little, they're so pretty. Let me know below if they're still doing it, which I can't even guarantee. Is this something that we want to continue? I know I joked about a lot of that. Well, because there are repeats. They do tend to do repeats, but I do truly get my money's worth because I like the Elemis products. But we got the Chella highlighter. Can you guys see that from that far? Or on me anywhere? Chella highlighter, the Peter Thomas Roth, the Josie Maran, the Elemis, the Bumble and Bumble, the Nirvana, and the hand masks from Le Mini Macaron. Oh, I did manage to bury it in the back. I was like, something was wrong, right? Because I managed to bury it in the back. There's that Kate Somerville foil packet back there that's not the right thing. That and the Bumble and Bumble were not what they said on the paperwork. They probably had sourcing issues like everybody else. Okay, thanks for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you again really soon, I hope. Take care, guys. Bye.